Today we will be looking at the sound of the letter Y. What does the letter Y sound like? We know that the letter Y says Y, as in yam, yak, and yo-yo. The letter Y says Y, Y. Do you know that the letter Y can make 4 sounds? So we are going to look at the 4 sounds from the letter Y. The first sound is the sound that we are all familiar with at the beginning of a word, as in yes, and you, and yak. So we hear y, y, yes, y, y, you, y, y, yak. And in this case, the letter Y is a consonant. When the letter Y begins a word, it is a consonant. Remember, we learned about vowels and we learned about consonants. So the letter Y is a consonant when it begins a word. The second sound of the letter Y. The letter Y can make the long I sound. So let us look at these words. Fly, try, sky. You are hearing that long I sound at the end of the word. And if you notice, these are short words. These are one-syllable words. So the Y at the end makes that long I sound. And therefore, it is considered a vowel because you are hearing I. The third sound of the letter Y. The letter Y can also make the long E sound. So let us look at these examples. Happy, funny, untidy. Now, as you notice, these words are a bit longer and they have more than one syllable. So we hear happy, funny, untidy. So the words with more than one syllable, usually at the end, when it ends in the Y, you hear that long E sound. And in this case, the letter Y is also a vowel when you hear that long E sound. The fourth sound. Y can say the short I sound as well. And in this case, the Y comes in between letters. So we have bicycle, the short I sound, bicycle. Cylinder, so you're hearing the Gypsy, So the Y makes the short I sound, and in this case it is also considered as a vowel. Just to recap, the letter Y has 4 sounds. It can be a consonant or sometimes it can be a vowel. Yesterday, when the Y begins a word, it is a consonant. You hear y, yesterday. Cry. At the end of a one-syllable word, you hear that long I sound. Sunny. More than one syllable. Sunny, you hear the long E sound. And in the middle of the word, or in between letters, you hear that short I sound. Gym. So we have yesterday, cry, sunny, and gym. Can you read these words? So I am going to read the words for you, and then on the next slide, you will read the words for yourself. Okay, so listen as I read the words and listen for the 4 sounds of the letter Y. Yellow, yard, young. And remember, at the beginning of the word, the Y is a consonant. You hear y, yellow, y, yard, y, young. Try, spy, shy. Remember, the one-syllable words, the short words, it makes that long sound at the end, that long I sound. So you have try, spy, shy. Rainy, dusty, funny. Words with more than one syllable, at the end, it makes that long E sound. Symbol, gypsy, cylinder, the short I sound when it comes in between letters. So on the next slide, you will read the words for yourself. So children, I have come to the end of my presentation. Remember to keep reaching for the stars.